Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Credit Karma account. This is useful if you want to move funds into your Credit Karma checking or savings account. First, open the Credit Karma app and log in using the same username and password you normally use. Once you're logged in, go to the home screen and tap on the option that says Make a Deposit or Transfer. Next, tap on External Transfer. If you're moving money between Credit Karma accounts, you can also choose Internal Transfer instead. After that, enter the amount of money you want to transfer into your Credit Karma account. Then tap on the From field and select the account where the funds will be coming from. Make sure the account information is correct before continuing. Once everything looks right, tap Review to double-check the transfer amount and the selected account. Finally, tap Confirm to complete the transfer. You should see a confirmation message letting you know the deposit is being processed. And that's how you deposit money into your Credit Karma account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.